Hey guys, this is Steve on the Guru Brew. Thanks for joining me again. You know I love gadgets, and that's what this channel's all about. It's gadgets and technology and computers. Well, when I was at the discount store over the weekend, I found something that I just had to pick up. Let me show you what I purchased. This is an LED water temperature indicator. And what it does is it sends a LED colored blast of light down through the water stream to indicate the temperature, either blue for the cold or red for the hot. And you can see I only paid $7.99 for it. So let's open up this box and check this bad boy out. Okay, well, I've never seen one of these before. I think it's a great idea. You can see the little picture there. When it's cold, it's blue, and then when it's hot, it's red, and it comes right on down through the water stream. So I'm real curious to see how this will look. And the directions say 95 degrees or hotter, and then it will go to the red. It comes with the actual unit that hooks onto the regular faucet. It just screws on, and then they give you these universal adapters here in case your faucet has a different kind of thread. And then it gives you some extra batteries here too. So, well, this is what's in the box here. Instructions on here. So this is what you get. This is the main unit here. Well, you can see it's made in China. That's the first problem with it. But then again, what's not? So, yeah, it looks like a filter here. So it comes with a little screen filter. And this would connect up to your faucet like that. And then the water would come out here, and then the LED lights right there. Well, you gotta see how it works, right? I take apart everything I get. Okay. So that's just the housing to make it look pretty. And there's the actual electronics in there. I can see right away, here's a little thermocoupler device of some kind. I can see it's hooked to a little transistor inside there, so that must be what turns it on for the red. I would say it probably defaults to the blue LED. That must be a two-color LED. I only see one. It's probably a red and green multicolored LED. So it starts out blue, and then as soon as the circuitry, simple circuitry, reaches 95 degrees, then it goes to the red, and then when it lets go, it unlatches the transistor again and goes back to blue. See, the batteries must be inside here. This is opening up. There we go. So there's a little spring inside there. And there's three little button cells in there, AG13s, and they press on these springs here. You see that? So that fits like that. And it's kind of nice because they gave me 3 extra batteries, so that's even better. I don't know how good these batteries are, but they should be brand new, so we'll try them out. It's back together here. So it's a really simple design. I bet you could build one if you took the time to do it, but why build it when you can buy the thing for $7 or $8? As I'm looking at this, I see the little circuit board, and I see these 2 little screws. I'm guessing that these 2 little screws are what makes contact to the water. Let's see. I wet my finger here, and oh yeah, Look at that. So when water comes down through, it passes to the outside here. It doesn't go down through the batteries. It contacts these screws, and it turns the LED on. And if I had a little heat on this, I'm sure it would probably, if I could get that up to 95, it probably would go red on me. Let's see. See if I can do it. Yeah, so there's the red. Let it cool off a second here. Still latched on red, isn't it? Oh, there it goes. Yeah, I can tell that's a two-color LED too. I can still see the red in there. So that's how it works. So give me a minute, and I'm going to go over to the sink, and we'll get installing this piece. Okay, we're here at my sink for the shop here. It's not a real great sink to use, but this is where we're going to put it for now, just for our testing. Yeah, first step is to get off this filter here. It's probably been on there a while. Give it a little persuasion. Well, it's really stuck on there, isn't it? Here we go. Okay. Let's reach up in here and make sure there's no filter or anything like that. Okay, so the first step is to get this on there. And it's a good thing they gave me those adapters, because I'm going to need them. There needs to be a thread that comes down like that, and it connects on there. So see what we have as far as the adapters. See if this will fit up in there. That's a little bit too small. Oh yeah, that's a nice one there. Okay. We just have to make sure we get the little screen on there. Like that. Straight on down. I would think that this little temperature probe would be a really good idea, especially if you have children. If you see the red light, that means you got hot water. I don't know, it's probably more a novelty than more than anything, but I thought it was definitely worth the $7 I paid for it, so. Okay. Screws on just like that. Last thing to do is put this little cover on there. Make sure everything's tight here. Okay, we ready? Let's move the tripod down a little bit here. Let's start out with some cold water here. Well, the stream's not real good. But look at that. It's kind of weird, huh? I like it. Let's see what it looks like with the light off. I got one little light here I can't turn off right now, but you get the idea. There, it'll help a little bit. Okay. Let me turn the hot water on here. Take a minute for the hot water to come through. The instructions say it'll change at 95 degrees, so that should be just about 95 right there. There we go. Look at that. Yeah, that's pretty neat. So you could always tell your little one when you see the red light like that, it's too hot. Let's go back to the cold. Yep, that seems to work really great. Okay guys, well, I hope you enjoyed this one. This is just a kind of off-the-wall thing, but thought it was really neat, and if you want to get yourself one, here's what you're looking for. It's the Sharper Images LED Faucet Water Temperature Indicator, and I paid $7.99 for mine at Ross's. Have yourself a good one. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. We'll see you. Hey guys, this is Steve. Thanks for watching. Hey, don't forget to subscribe if you like this video, and be sure to rate and comment. See ya.